What's cracking, guys? Blair here. We are starting day one of pre-fishing on Cass Lake. I have a solo derby for the head-to-head series here this Sunday. It's Friday. We got a day of pre-fishing tomorrow on Saturday, and then tournament Sunday. I fished this lake once before. I blind fished a tournament and did fairly well out here. Got just under 18 pounds for my best 5. So there's some big fish to be had. That was in the fall. It's in the spring right now. Spring transitioning to summer, so it'll probably take a little bit to figure out what these fish are looking for and how they're relating to the cover. But if we can figure that out and dial it in, there's some big fish to be had, so let's get after it. I just want some bear in here. Haven't seen it. It's really good. First spot did not produce anything. Tried heavy flipping and throwing a frog. No bueno. Tried 3 different spots and finally just got our first bite. That's a pretty quality fish right there. 2 3/4 pounder. We're gonna get her right back. You know, my plan and my game plan for this tournament is to pitch flipping rigs out there, and that's what this is right here. Just a 1/2 ounce tungsten weight with a craw tube on there. Pretty standard. That one. Wow, that is a beautiful fish. We're just getting up in the weeds here. Second fish. This one I caught only probably about 20 minutes after that other one, so we're getting on to something here. We're gonna get a weight on it just to get an idea of what caliber fish we're catching. I think it's probably right around 2 3/4, 2.5 to 2 3/4 in that ballpark, but it is chunky.
210.
210. So yeah. 2 3/4, 2.5, right in that ballpark. The other one I'm very positive was 2 3/4, so very beautiful fish. We're gonna get this Cass Lake bass right down to the grass. All right, guys, just finished off the patch I caught my second fish on, and it seems like these patches are going by the old 1 fish a patch pattern. That's the only one. Holy crap, bro.
Shallow? What?
No, I was just talking about like the drive and wind and whatnot.
They have a development goal going in here apparently.
I saw it come flying out. Look at that. That was cool. It just shot up for it again and crushed it. Nice. Not a bad one either. I'm gonna measure how long this fish is, guys. Holy cow. Oh, of course the camera's pointed down. Me and my professional GoPro work. Look at that Punisher swim jig right there. I just watched this fish actually strike out at it, and I saw it hitting. I could feel it hitting it, and I set the hook on it. Did not have it in its mouth. Flipped right back to where it was. Boom. Watched it swim out after it and crush it. That's pretty cool right there. 18.5 incher. Nice bite though. Gotta appreciate them all. That's a good sign. 1/8 on the Punisher.
That's probably where mallards.
I think they will. That's a healthy one. That might be my first one over 3.
Let me change it.
Check out the mouth on that. Beautiful fish there. All right, guys. Just found out this is a 3-pound 9-ouncer. Mom helped me with the scale. Beautiful fish. First over 3 pounds of pre-fishing day 1. Can't go wrong with that. We're figuring something out. Thank you, girl. Heck yeah. Alright guys, sorry for the wind noise, but it's kind of unescapable today. The wind has just been a killer for pre-fishing today. It's really limited what I can do, and it's just uncomfortable to fish in the wind, for me anyways. I haven't done a whole lot of fishing in the wind just because it is so windy, but we just spent a good 2.5 hours going up the river here. The idle time's like 30 minutes just going one way. So I don't think it's gonna be worth it going up here, not to mention we didn't catch anything once we even got up to the lake that I wanted to fish. We're making our way back to the main lake. We're gonna go put maybe a couple more hours in and see if we can get a couple more bites before headed off the lake. But just keeping you guys updated. Just got done fishing the river. Ridiculous, and I can barely keep a hat on my head at times, so took the hat off. As you can see on the Punisher again, I'm gonna hit her back. Alright guys, what's cracking? Just finished up our day here on Lake Pecagama. We ended up getting off the lake, caught 6 fish today, missed 1 other bite. Honestly, I really didn't do as much fishing as I kind of was hoping to do. I didn't think it was going to be as windy as it was out there, so I did a lot more. It was almost like a 50-50 of fishing and then just covering water and getting like a mental note of what the lake looks like. We went between many of the lakes today, checked things out, but we did get that one 3-pound 9-ouncer, so really nice fish there. Good indicator fish as to maybe some big fish in that area. But tomorrow we're gonna do a little more work on the main lake, see if we can figure some things out there. Tomorrow is supposed to be calmer, so that should be awesome. But I'm just coming at you with that recap for day 1 of pre-fishing Cass Lake. We'll see you guys at day 2.